I'm on my trampoline and his name is... I'm not telling you guys, and I'm with my brother. I got it. Come here, the wolves. Come on then. Oh, dude. You're cruel. Hey, I haven't got any. So Lewis is getting angry. Shut up. Come here, Eddie. Oh, go show me my rabbit. Yeah, for Madison. Here, Madison, pull this. Hey, my dog's a farmer. He's so cute. You're a chihuahua. He's a dog. Oh, don't. Let's get that mess off you. Good boy. It's raining grass. Onto the dog. No! I don't like that. No. It's raining grass. Oh, your birthday. I don't know it's your birthday though. If it's your birthday too. I'm sorry, it's so little. You have the entire garden to chew. You know it's so little. Okay, now. On the grass. The one we saw on the grass there. Here, Madison. Go for the bed of grass. Go! Don't hit! You know what? I know what you like. Good girl, dog! Now just come Madison and go. Here you go, girl dog. Oh, yeah! You need a bath. Look, it's so... Oh, this is so interesting. Look, you see that? I'm saying... This is better. Way more hygiene. I'm trying to stick it up his nose. Nah. Then you can eat it. More lights for Jumbo. Yeah, stick it up his nose. I'm going to eat some grass. No, no. Please subscribe for Madison and my Angel. Bye, guys.